Sun finds the curtains, paints the pinewood floor. Kettle hums a whisper I've heard 1,000 times before. Screen door breathes easy while the morning takes its time. Coffee, steam, and birdsong keep the day between the lines. Bare feet on the kitchen tile, you laugh like honey light. Gravel road remembers every slow and easy night. Fiddle in the corner waits to tell a soft lace tale. Steel sigh like summer rain along the fence line rail. This is home in the hush, where the heart learns to rest, where a simple little promise beats quiet in my chest. The acoustic strings are holding all the small things we own. From the porch to the garden, love makes a country of its own. With your hand in mine, the world finally feels right. Peace living easy in the glow of our porch light. Afternoon drifts gentle through the cotton clouds above. Mailbox holds a postcard from the cousin that we love. You hum beneath your breath while hanging Sunday clothes. Cicadas stitch a rhythm only easy living knows. Mason jars and recipes, the dog is sleeping warm. Weather talks and whispers through the sweet gum after storm. Soft bow on the fiddle draws a ribbon through the air. Steel leans in behind it like a quiet answered prayer. Let the busy highways chase their neon-colored dreams. We'll take the gravel, take the creek, and step between the seams. Every little moment writes its name upon this land. I can hear forever in the touch of your hand. Evening paints the windows with a low and gentle gold. Crickets start a choir only countryside can hold. I tuck you close and thank the day for everything it gave. This simple life, this home, this love, I promise still to save.